Now the month of April has started. Okay, April 2025. Years ago, in 1857, it was in April that a major issue triggered what eventually led to the beginning of the 1857 revolt, and eventually which became an inspiration for what we called the Indian national struggle. Now, प्रॉब्लम ये था कि सन 1857 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट 1 जनवरी 1857 को उन्होंने एक बंदूक का इंट्रोडक्शन किया था इन ब्रिटिश इंडियन आर्मी और what we call the East India Company Army. And this particular gun was essentially made of a cartridge. It was replacing the musket guns. Now the uniqueness of this cartridge is the cartridge will consist of 2 lead bullets, and it will also consist of gunpowder. All of this is wrapped in a paper, and this paper is dipped into animal fat. मैं आपको मैं एक दिलचस्प चीज बताता हूँ. इनफैक्ट हमें आज तक ये नहीं पता कि इसमें सच में एनिमल फैट था या कौन सा एनिमल का फैट था. The rumor was it consisted of pig fat and cow fat, which obviously was quite controversial given that pig is prohibited for the Muslims of India and cow is a holy animal for the Hindus of India. So when the sepoys of the Behrampur cantonment and the Barakpur cantonment raised objections to the introduction of these cartridges, the company officers and the company army declined to do any considerations, and they just neglected the complaint. In spite of this, they introduced the cartridges in March 1857. In March 1857, they first introduced cartridges in the native infantry of Barakpur. Barakpur native infantry में एक सिपाही थे, सिपाही मंगल पांडे, and Mangal Pandey was asked to use this cartridges, which Mangal Pandey authentically did, and Mangal Pandey did use this cartridges, and he used the gun because his officers had promised him that the cartridges are not coated with animal fat और उनमें कोई गाय या सुअर की चर्बी नहीं थी, जो कि फिर बाद में पता चला कि वो झूठ था और कार्ट्रिजेस पे एनिमल फैट तो था. अब कौन सा एनिमल एग्जैक्टली था ये कभी पता नहीं चला. वी नेवर गॉट द डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफ इट, बट आइडियली वी बिलीव एंड हिस्टोरियंस ऑफ दिस पीरियड आल्सो बिलीव दैट इट मस्ट हैव बीन cow and pig fat, given that pig produces a lot of fat and cow also is a largely fatty animal. This led to a full-fledged revolt. Mangal Pandey was so infuriated by the cheating. Now see, please understand, the sepoys' anger was not the introduction of the cartridges. The anger of the sepoys was about the way company officers disregarded their concerns and lied to them that there was any chemical or any kind of animal fat in the guns. Mangal Pandey killed 3 of his officers, and he attempted to kill himself, which obviously failed. Mangal Pandey was protected, he was arrested, and a court martial was commissioned on him, जो कि सबसे बड़ी गलती थी. उस टाइम के बहुत सारे ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स ने ये करने से मना किया था. उन्होंने कहा था कि मंगल पांडे पे ऐसी कोई कार्रवाई ना हो, क्योंकि मंगल पांडे was a very important person and a very significant person. By this time, Mangal Pandey was well known among the sepoys and highly regarded, and any ill treatment of Mangal Pandey would lead to further encouragement of the discontent among the sepoys. पर उस टाइम के बहरामपुर के इंचार्ज कॉलिन विलियम्स ने इसको पूरी तरह इग्नोर किया था एंड मंगल पांडे को पनिशमेंट दिया था, और वो भी क्या, फांसी. Which again, many of the British officers complained that फांसी मंगल पांडे को देना गलत होगा क्योंकि that would send a wrong message to the people. But nobody was ready to listen, nobody was ready to understand, and eventually this led to a huge dispute. And मंगल पांडे को फांसी दे दी गई थी. He was hanged, and Pandey's hanging did not go very well with others. They eventually, all of them revolted, and the message of Mangal Pandey's hanging went to Behrampur, where the entire sepoys of the cantonment of Behrampur revolted. Behrampur cantonment was eventually suppressed. The revolt itself was suppressed, but the news spread like wildfire, and eventually on the 10th of May 1857 the news reached the shores of Meerut. Tab sepoys of Meerut, without any leader, took guns onto their hands and started a full-fledged mutiny. That's a small part of the Indian history. 1857. Keep watching. I'll keep sending you more.